If you work in an organisation, or indeed if you run your own business, then chances are you experience one of the following 5 frustrations on a fairly regular basis. The first one is people who don't do what they said they were going to do. Number 2 is people who don't return your phone calls. The third one, people who don't reply to your emails. Number 4 is people who seem to agree with you, but then don't do what they said they were going to do. And number 5 is the people who just never seem to be satisfied with anything. Now, the key to all of these things lies in convincer patterns. Convincer patterns are the little piece of mental software that sit between the point at which you make a choice or a decision and then the point at which you do something about it. Now, for some people, that happens quite quickly, and for others, well, it's much more complicated. Now, once you know what you're looking for, convincer patterns are quite easy to spot. And the good news is that people tend to use the same pattern all of the time. So with people that you know well, once you've spotted the pattern, that piece of information is very, very useful over and over again. I'm Dianne Lowther. Come to my session on convincer patterns and I'll show you how to reduce stress and frustration in your working life and also how to increase your output dramatically.